reports you just reported, and you've been keeping the update with all the reports you sent in, all your observations, whether it's on mail and whether it's on WhatsApp, your photographs. We are fully aware of the problems you have faced on the ground, interacting with the officials, trying to get data from them, or even trying to record a lot of things. But I have to congratulate you from this stage, because everybody's reports are very, very balanced. You have taken into consideration the fact that we are working under certain constraints, and you have documented all the policies. आपकी जो सारे policies जो चाहे भारत सरकार या उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार चलाती है, उनका आपने एक विस्तृत रूप से आकलन किया है और अपने अपने solutions भी दिए हैं कि उसको हम कैसे और बेहतर कर सकते हैं। 3-4 प्रॉब्लम एरियाज इमर्ज किए हैं, और एक जो प्रॉब्लम एरिया मेन आप लोग सबके रिपोर्ट से इमर्ज किया है वो है बेसिक शिक्षा। बेसिक शिक्षा के बारे में सबको बहुत कुछ कहना है, और एक गवर्नमेंटल कोऑर्डिनेशन। आपके सबके रिपोर्ट्स के बेसिस पे हम लोगों ने टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया से भी बात किया है। वो एक सीरीज उनको मुद्दों के आधार पर आप ही लोगों की रिपोर्ट्स और ऑब्जर्वेशन के बेसिस पे एक सीरीज रन करेंगे, उसको प्रिंट करेंगे और उससे SCPCR का इनपुट मांगेंगे। दूसरी बात कि हम एक मास्टर रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे, आप सबके इनपुट उस मास्टर रिपोर्ट में आप सबका नाम होगा, जो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि विधानसभा का जो इंक्लूडिंग एक मार्च सेशन होता है, बजट सेशन, उसमें हम उसको पेश कर सकें, क्योंकि वो आप लोगों का एक एफर्ट है। और ये एक UPSC-PCR का फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम था। ऐसा प्रोग्राम कोई अभी किसी ने स्टार्ट नहीं किया है। इसका सक्सेस जो है वो आप ही लोगों के ऊपर निर्भर था। We just were your coordinating partners, and we also got to know a lot of things through this program. So we'll continue it, but now as you have finished this program, आप सब law students and now you are a part of the UPSC-PCR. I consider it that now you are our hands, our eyes, our ears on the field, or the next batch which comes in, you will be orienting them, because you have more experience than us also on working on the field. So I will introduce you to my panel of people who will be hearing. One person more is coming. This is Nahid Arif Khan. She's been a member of the commission, and apart from being a member of the commission, she has worked a lot on children's issues on the ground, facing the same problems as you have. She has worked in Bhadoi, and she has worked with 36 children who were actually in child labor, trying to rescue them, rehabilitate them, carried out extensive inspections of various shelter homes and monitoring midday meals. She's studied from the Martini Loreto and has done her MBA also. And we are all ready to work. The other person on the panel is Mrs. Java Oja. She is also from Lucknow, but she's done her MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, after which she has, I would say, modeled the concept which you call Model United Nations, which is where we actually took this concept of the internship from, was basically what she used to discuss, because she has done that extensively in schools, guided children through it, and let's say make the children take different viewpoints on the same issue, so that a solution comes through rationality. She's worked with children a lot. She's at the moment pursuing her PhD in JNU, so she's a part of our expert panel. One another person will be coming in. His name is Mr. Augustine. I'll introduce him when he comes. He's worked with UNICEF. Now he has his own organization, that is Hear the Children, Voices of the Children, and he travels a lot. He has worked when UPSC-PCR did not exist, about 10 years, 15 years. So he'll give his own experiences to you. But I would now like to open the floor to you, because it's their day today. And the format which we have designed, I think Ashish might have explained to you, that he is divided into groups, and once 5 of you speak for a limited time, because I want everybody to speak, then we throw the floor open to questions. आपके भी प्रश्न, हमारे भी प्रश्न to the 5 who speak. So let's see how it goes from there. Thank you so much.